So I'm John Wilman. I'm a support worker in day services in Flintshire. My main role is to support people to become more independent and confident in what they're doing. And so in our day service, my department is upcycling pallets and second-hand furniture. Currently, the start of somebody's progression is just learning how to use like a drill driver, putting screws in, and we move up from there. Build the skills, so eventually, hopefully, they could build their own. Really, everybody has their own support work and supports people. You support your own family. You have to use a lot of patience with family, and in the teams you work, it's not a lot different to any other job. Grew up a farmer, dairy farmer, and then went into some work in tree surgery and gardening. Friends suggested care work, just relief sort of work, and I started, and then within 3 months I was on a fixed term contract, and I've not stopped since. It's the satisfaction of people becoming more independent and watching people grow in confidence. From day one of them looking at a drill and not even knowing which end works, to seeing somebody in sometimes a couple of days or sometimes a couple of months, just be able to stand back and give verbal prompts and watch, like I say, people's confidence grow, how much they enjoy doing things themselves. I definitely recommend working in social care. There's so many different job opportunities and different sections of social care you can fit into. I've worked supporting elderly people and people with learning disabilities, people in houses, people in the day services, and they're all different roles. You get a great satisfaction out of doing your job.